in 100 years, meron pa kayang maalala yung tao na ginawa mo? Most of us, masasabi natin na yung pera na meron tayo ngayon, yung bahay na meron tayo ngayon, yung kumpanya na itinayo natin ngayon, yung kotse na meron tayo ngayon, yung lupa, ari-arian, kung ano man yan na meron tayo ngayon, pagdating ng 100 years, probably mawawala na yan ng halaga. Marami sa atin, marami sa ginagawa natin will be forgotten. That's why we really need to think deeper. How can we make a lasting image? An image that will last for 100 years. The legacy that will last for 100 years. Alam nyo, maraming mga bagay sa mundo natin ngayon na ginagawa natin pero hindi tayo sure kung yan ba ay magtatagal kahit 5 taon man lang, o kahit 3 taon man lang, o kahit 1 taon man lang. At marami sa atin hindi pa rin tayo nagigising sa ganung klase mindset. Most of us, yung ginagawa natin bara-bara lang. That's why we can never really assure that it will create a lasting impact, no? Again, lahat na meron tayo ngayon, pag namatay tayo, maaaring sa loob ng ilang araw o ilang taon, maaalala tayo ng tao kung anong ginawa natin. Maaaring hindi rin, diba? Lilipas ang panahon na baka makalimutan nila tayo. Pero that is because hindi natin nilalaliman yung pag-isip natin. Ano ba talaga yung gusto nating mangyari? Na yung tipong kahit mamatay tayo, secured tayo na for 100 years, magkakaroon ng legacy na tinatawag. At hindi makakalimutan yun. Most of us, siguro sa ngayon, ang naipundar natin is hanggang 5 years, hanggang 10 years. But how about 100 years? No? Kung sa tingin natin mas malalim na yung motivation natin sa mga ginagawa natin, bagay ngayon, mas laliman pa natin. No? How can we make the thing that we are doing right now make an impact, in 100 years? Paano natin gagawin na magkaroon ng 100-year effect yung ginagawa natin today? So kung ngayon ginagawa mo yung mga bagay para maalala ng tao in 5 years time, you have to multiply it by 20. Kung ginagawa mo yan for 10 years time, you have to multiply it by 10. Isa lang yung gusto kong sabihin dito. We bring out the best of the best of the best of the best that we can do. Huwag nating hayaan na kung ano yung best natin, yun na lang. Kasi sabi nga, the best. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough, sabi sa kanta. And that is true. Sometimes even the best that you can is not yet enough. That's why you have to bring out the best of the best of the best of the best that you can. No? And in that way, we can create 100-year impact, 100-year effect sa paligid natin. And that should be the goal that we have. Not just the things that we do lasting 5 years, 10 years, but to make it 100 years